was looking at the flag and was thinking that it's time for a new one.
The director of the Child Development Center here reached out to us and asked us to help out with their Military Appreciation Day.
The flag was a little tarnished from over the years, and how do we do this respectfully?
So we volunteered to purchase one for them, and with the help of the United States Army Recruiting Command, the Dayton company, they came down here and did the flag replacement ceremony, and turned out really nice.
So important for our children to see all different aspects of what adults do. And military is a part of our school family, and we wanted kind of to show them that aspect.
You know, want the students here to have a good sense of what the military is and know that we're still here to serve them and serve the community as well.
Wright State ROTC, they gifted us with the dog tags for the children, which it was a sure special touch.
We enjoy supporting this community since we're part of it, and I appreciate getting the invitation from the director here, and we're more than happy to participate, and I'm glad that our team could come together and make this a special day for these students.